What's going on, everybody? It's Dino from Away Days. This is quick shoot in regards to Arsenal. What's the is about? I think the shoot was probably more appropriate considering the last few days. I'm going to do a combination here of Arsenal and the Falcons. I'm not going to say too much about this because this week's not going to be big for everything. I'm going to start with the Falcons. Finish with an 8-9 record this season. One better than last season, so we're kind of making progress, but still I don't think it's good enough of what we've got defensively. Defensively, I think we've been to improve for the season. Certain coaches need to be that being said, there is promise, but I think it kind of summed up against the should have won the game, but didn't show up. But let's talk about it a bit. So, what was going to say about another beforehand? Yeah, I'm good, doing it close. So, we'll go again next season, and I will see the Falcons the new season in September. So, no more Falcons talk now. Just say probably a tip. To free agency, which will be after the Super Bowl and then the Super Bowl. Regards to the draft, when the draft comes, I believe in May, especially. And then I'm going to talk more so about schedule as well. Should look at that. As far as Arsenal was concerned, yesterday against Newcastle, very flat. I think if there's ever the Arsenal striker that was the one yesterday. Ironically, the striker I'd like us to bring is a striker who scored an assist yesterday. Isaac. Also bring a bit of creativity as well. The second out injured for a while. Even when Noah's out for a few weeks, our midfield is very, very flat. Another guy still in there, but I think we need to bring a couple of changes. We're in January now, so I fully expect to see some changes or some additions into the team. I like Arteta, I think he's great, but you can't blame yesterday's defeat on the ball when we have full chance to put him back in there. It's just good he's back to the goal. The striker's definitely guys, that's me. That's Dino. I'll see you guys.